Microsoft offers a free version of its IdeaWin accounting software. This free version provides a range of features that can be beneficial for startups managing their finances. It's designed to handle basic accounting tasks, helping new businesses track income, expenses, and overall financial health. However, it is important to note that the free version has limitations. More complex accounting functions, such as generating 1099 forms for contractors and handling tax-related calculations and filings, are exclusively available in the paid version of IdeaWin. Therefore, while the free version is a valuable starting point, businesses with more advanced accounting needs will likely need to upgrade to the paid version to access the full suite of features. Using accounting software like IdeaWin, whether the free or paid version, offers several advantages for startups. Firstly, it streamlines the process of recording financial transactions. Instead of relying on manual spreadsheets or paper-based systems, businesses can enter data into the software, which automatically organizes and categorizes it. Secondly, accounting software automates many calculations. This reduces the risk of human error and saves time. For example, the software can automatically calculate totals, balances, and other key financial metrics. Thirdly, accounting software provides real-time financial insights. Businesses can generate reports and dashboards that show their current financial position, including income, expenses, profits, and losses. This information can be used to make informed decisions about pricing, budgeting, and investments. Fourthly, accounting software helps businesses stay compliant with accounting standards and tax regulations. The software can generate reports that are required for tax filings and other regulatory purposes. It can also help businesses track their assets and liabilities, which is important for accurate financial reporting. Fifthly, accounting software improves efficiency. By automating many accounting tasks, the software frees up time for business owners and employees to focus on other important aspects of their business. This can lead to increased productivity and profitability. When choosing accounting software, startups should consider their specific needs and budget. The free version of IdeaWin may be sufficient for businesses with simple accounting needs, while those with more complex needs may require the paid version or other accounting software options. Factors to consider when choosing accounting software include the number of users, the types of transactions that need to be recorded, the reporting requirements, and the level of support that is needed. In addition to accounting software, startups can also benefit from other financial tools and resources. These include budgeting templates, financial calculators, and online courses on accounting and finance. These resources can help business owners develop their financial literacy and manage their businesses more effectively. It is also important for startups to establish good accounting practices from the beginning. This includes setting up a chart of accounts, establishing a process for recording transactions, and reconciling bank statements regularly. By following these practices, businesses can ensure that their financial records are accurate and reliable. Moreover, it is very important to maintain accurate and up-to-date financial records. These records are essential for making informed business decisions, tracking financial performance, and complying with tax regulations. There are several ways to maintain accurate financial records. One way is to use accounting software, as mentioned earlier. Accounting software can automate many of the tasks involved in maintaining financial records, such as recording transactions, generating reports, and reconciling bank statements. Another way to maintain accurate financial records is to hire a qualified accountant or bookkeeper. An accountant or bookkeeper can provide expert advice on accounting matters, help businesses set up and maintain their financial records, and prepare tax returns. It is also important to regularly review financial records to ensure that they are accurate and complete. This can be done by comparing financial statements to bank statements, reviewing invoices and receipts, and checking for any errors or omissions. By regularly reviewing financial records, businesses can identify and correct any errors or omissions before they become a problem. Accurate financial records are essential for the success of any business. By taking the time to maintain accurate financial records, businesses can make informed decisions, track their financial performance, and comply with tax regulations. Accurate financial records also help businesses build trust with lenders, investors, and other stakeholders. When choosing an accounting software package, consider the following aspects. Firstly, ease of use. The software should be intuitive and easy to learn, even for users with limited accounting knowledge. Secondly, features. The software should offer the features that you need, such as invoicing, expense tracking, reporting, and tax preparation. Thirdly, scalability. The software should be able to grow with your business. Fourthly, integration. The software should integrate with other business applications, such as your bank account and credit card processor. Fifthly, cost. The software should be affordable for your budget. Also, consider the level of support that the software vendor provides. Make sure that the vendor offers adequate support to help you troubleshoot any problems that you may encounter. When you are starting a business, it is important to focus on managing your cash flow. Cash flow is the movement of money into and out of your business. Positive cash flow means that you have more money coming in than going out, while negative cash flow means that you have more money going out than coming in. There are several ways to manage your cash flow. One way is to create a budget and track your income and expenses. This will help you to identify areas where you can cut costs and increase revenue. Another way to manage your cash flow is to invoice your customers promptly and collect payments quickly. This will help you to get money into your business as soon as possible. You should also consider offering discounts to customers who pay early. Additionally, managing your inventory carefully can help you improve your cash flow. Avoid stocking too much inventory, as this will tie up your cash. You should also try to negotiate favorable payment terms with your suppliers. Cash flow is essential for the survival of any business. By taking the time to manage your cash flow carefully, you can ensure that your business has enough money to operate and grow. There are several common accounting mistakes that startups should avoid. One mistake is not keeping accurate records. It is important to keep accurate records of all financial transactions, including income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. This will help you to track your financial performance and comply with tax regulations. Another common mistake is not reconciling bank statements regularly. Reconciling bank statements involves comparing your bank statement to your accounting records to ensure that they match. This can help you to identify any errors or omissions in your records. Another common mistake is not tracking expenses. It is important to track all expenses, even small ones. This will help you to identify areas where you can cut costs. Another common mistake is not budgeting. Budgeting involves creating a plan for how you will spend your money. This can help you to stay on track with your financial goals. Another common mistake is not seeking professional advice. If you are not familiar with accounting, it is important to seek professional advice from an accountant or bookkeeper. An accountant or bookkeeper can help you to set up your accounting system, maintain your financial records, and prepare your tax returns. Avoiding these common accounting mistakes can help you to improve your financial performance and avoid problems with the Internal Revenue Service. Startups often face unique financial challenges. These challenges can include limited access to capital, high operating costs, and fluctuating revenue. Startups can overcome these challenges by carefully managing their finances. One way to manage their finances is to create a budget and track their income and expenses. This will help them to identify areas where they can cut costs and increase revenue. Another way to manage their finances is to seek funding from investors or lenders. This can provide them with the capital they need to grow their businesses. Another way to manage their finances is to carefully manage their cash flow. This involves ensuring that they have enough money coming in to cover their expenses. Another way to manage their finances is to seek professional advice from an accountant or financial advisor. An accountant or financial advisor can help them to develop a financial plan and make informed financial decisions. By carefully managing their finances, startups can increase their chances of success.